Okay, in the last lecture, I had posted a few questions related to coefficients. This lecture, we will solve those questions and also explain binomial theorem in a simplistic way. So first, what does coefficient mean? In an expression 1 plus 4x plus 7x square minus 3x cube, coefficient of x is equal to 4. So the numeric part is the coefficient. What is the coefficient of x square? What is here? It's 7. So it's 7. What is the coefficient of x cube? It's minus 3. This is what coefficients mean. Now we go to the binomial expression expansion. So what we had learned was a plus b to the power n can be written as nc 0 a to the power n plus nc1 a to the power n minus 1 b plus nc2 a to the power n minus 2 b square plus all the way n c n b to the power n. We can simplify this. This a plus b to the power n, we can write it as, we can take a out and it will become a to the power n 1 plus b by a to the power n. We can see that both are same terms. If you bring a inside, it will become a into 1 plus b by a to the power n, which is a into 1 is a plus a into b plus a is b to the power n. Expanding this is a little straightforward. We can take let b by a equal to x. So now the one in the bracket can be written as 1 plus x to the power n. We can leave a to the power n aside. Whatever is the term, we can in the end multiply by a to the power n to get our original binomial expression. Okay. Now, if we expand this using binomial theorem, what we get is nc0 a to the power n. Here a is 1, so it will be 1 to the power n, which is 1, plus nc1 1 to the power n minus 1 x to the power 1, plus nc0 nc2 1 to the power n minus 2 x square plus all the way n c n x to the power n. This thing can be written as nc0 is 1. So its first term is 1. Second term nc1 is n. So n into x plus nc2 is n into n minus 1 by 2 into x square plus n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 divided by 3 into 2 into x cube. Okay, how did we get this term? Okay, So how did we get this? So NC NCR is basically n factorial divided by R factorial n minus R factorial. So NC2 is n factorial divided by 2 factorial into n minus 2 factorial, which is n into n minus 1 to n minus 2 factorial divided by 2 into 1 into n minus 2 factorial, this one. So it will become n into n minus 1 divided by 2, which is this guy here, right? Now what is NC3? Similarly, NC3, which is from this term, NC, this one, NC3 x cube. Similarly, if we do this, we will get n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 by 3 into 2 into x cube. Okay, so this is a simple uh, expansion of 1 plus x to the power n using binomial theorem. What I have shown here is a plus b to the power n can be written as 1 plus x to the power n, and the a we have taken outside. So basically, this whole thing can be multiplied by a to the power n.